Hey, Brian Sensei here. In this video, I'm going to talk about fonts. Do you ever get tired of the same old fonts that are built into Windows? You ever wish that you could install more fonts? Well, guess what? You can. Let's check it out. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go out and get some fonts. You can find a variety of free font websites on the web. One I like is called FontSpace. You can go to fontspace.com and you can come here and just scroll down and browse their fonts. You can also search for something specific you're looking for or a style. Let's say you're looking for a stencil style font. You can search that. And you can see the results down here. When you find one you like, I kind of like this one here. It's a nice block style stencil looking font. I can also click in here and type in my own text to see what that would look like with my own custom text. Then down over here is where you can go ahead and download this font so that you can install it into Windows. Another option here is you can actually save this as an image and just use it as an image in different projects. But I'm going to go ahead and download the font. And I'm going to go ahead and save it in my downloads folder. Alrighty, so here it is down here. Let's go ahead and open her up. Now you notice that it is a zipped file, so I'm going to go ahead and extract the files. Alright, so here they are. And the next thing I need to do is come down here to my Windows search, and we're going to search for font and look for font settings. Now here is where we will install the font. Right here it says we can drag and drop the files to install them, or we can click browse and navigate to the files. I'll go ahead and drag and drop. I have them right here. Just go ahead, click, hold, drag and drop. And you want the file that shows the actual font style on it. Okay, and that's it. Now you'll notice here we can see confirmation that it was in fact installed. It's called Blocking Stencil. And just as a heads up, if you ever want to uninstall this, you can come here to the More menu and uninstall. So now you can use this font in all your projects. So for example, if I come down here and run PowerPoint, I should be able to go to my font picker and find Blocking Stencil. And boom shakalaka, there she is. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, let me know. If you want to learn more about other tech tips, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next one.